Hi there, it's Miss McDonald. I wanted to do a quick video related to the weekly assignment for statistics. So we are continuing with normal distributions. I hope that you still have that foldable curve that had all the percentages. Get that out. That'll help you on the lecture and practice problems for this week. If you were not here the day that we did that, I'm going to put this on the screen. You'll need to pause the video here and jot this down in your notes about the normal distribution curve with the empirical rule of 68, 95, 99.7. What's really important are these individual percentages, this curve that's on the right side. So make sure to get that down if you don't have that foldable. So how this is going to work, instead of there being a lecture, since I'm not there for my leave, there will be videos that you'll watch. And instead of me giving you a guided notes handout, you are going to be taking notes based on the video. And I have an example of what that might look like if that helps you. And then after the video, that would be the lecture. After the video, you're going to have some practice problems like the check your understanding or classwork. Normally, there will be a quiz after class on Wednesday. That will not happen this week because there's just one class this Wednesday for this week. And just a reminder on quizzes, you can use your notes, you can use calculator. I'll talk more about the quiz in next week's video so that because it doesn't apply for this week. So how to get the information. If you go to our Canvas course, on the first day of class, so first day of class this week was Wednesday, next week will be Monday, it'll post the announcement here. You want to click on it and you'll see everything you need for the week. Okay, so this week's tasks, there's two things. You have Delta Math and a discussion board. So make sure you click on both of those and do both of those. Don't forget your Math Plaza time, 30 minutes each week. That will start this week. Again, no quiz. And if it's helpful for you, I have a calendar and I'll update it as I go along. So it might be changed a little bit, but I'll link it in the announcement. And it looks like this. We're just kind of showing you what we do or what you will be doing in the assignments for each day and everything. So if that's helpful for you. Again, if you haven't already met her, Miss Lee, she is the sub. She's wonderful. She'll be able to help you with any of your math questions if you have any. So definitely use her as a resource and support throughout this time. So let me show you quickly on the Delta Math. When you click on it, as a reminder, it is going to open in a new tab. You have to click this gray button to open it in a new tab, which I already have here. So that way it's full screen and not as small. And you'll have some videos that you'll watch. So this first video, normal distribution empirical rule, the person who recorded it will have like example problems, maybe some like kind of notes that you might want to take. Just as a note on the video, you can add closed captionings and playback speed with the 3 dots in the right corner if that's of interest to you. So I already watched the video, and as I did, these are some example notes that I decided to write based on that first video. So if you want, you can write down the entire problem. Like I decided not to, I didn't think I needed it, but you might. Again, it's your notes. You need to make those decisions. You might color code things. You might draw stuff. You might just write the example problems. You might write the definitions. Again, it depends on what's being covered in the video. But this is an example of what I thought was important from that first video. So then I would do the practice problems. And then now I'm ready for the second video, and I would do my notes of normal distribution finding area for that. So I have linked this document in the announcements. If that's something where you just want to copy it down, that's fine. But you still need to go through and watch his video and go from there. One thing on the finding area, he shows in the video how to use this stats calculator that's within Delta Math, and I think that's great. Use that. I did want to just quickly show you can also do this problem in Desmos. So if you go over here to Desmos and you go to functions and then normal distribution, you can type in the mean and the standard deviation. So in this problem, mean is 100, standard deviation 15. So I already did that mean first, then standard deviation. And then when I did that, I needed to click the drop down in the cumulative probability. And it says I want values that are less than 66. So I have 66 here because I'm saying X values that are less than 66. So what's nice about it is initially when you do normal distribution, you don't see anything here. If you click this little magnifying glass, zoom fit, it shows you that normal curve, which is a nice visual if that's helpful for you. Okay, so again, that'll help you with the, maybe help you with the finding area, or you can use the stats calculator. Okay, I think that's everything for this week. Again, if you have any questions, please ask Miss Lee. I will be back in a few weeks, and I hope this week goes well for you. Thanks.